Okay, this is Bayou Golf over here at Dumas Memorial Golf Course. This is the last hole. This is finishing hole number 18. It's a par 3. I know I don't do a lot of par 3s, but I want to give one to Dale Martin. He always likes to see one face on using the new preset. Okay, here we go. All right, we're on. I can't see it. Man, I just realized there was a lot of shade right there. Hopefully this comes out. Well, if it doesn't come out, I'll show you something on the porch. Hopefully. Anyway, that was a good shot right there, straight right down the middle. All right, it's been a muggy day. Yeah, it has. One of those days when your shirt kind of sticks to you. You know what I mean? All right, where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? Oh, right there underneath the flag. Very good, very good. Okay. Very straight ball. I like it. I do like the early set. It kind of gets the hands out of the way early for me. You just gotta learn to use it with the rest of your swing. Well, let's see, probably about a 20-foot putt maybe, uphill, which is always good, but let's see if I can get you guys right here. How's that? All right. That close. You gotta remember, it's uphill. Another bug. Can you believe that? Yummy. All right, this is Bayou Golf. That's it for Dumas. We'll be talking about this early set on the porch.